Hello, let's talk about heat and temperature part 1 today. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to do work. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy. Heat makes things hot. We can use the heat energy to do work. For example, sun's heat helps us to dry clothes and keep us warm. Oven's heat can be used to cook food. Fire can also be used to cook food. Moving on to sources of heat, a heat source is an object that gives off heat. Some examples are a lighted candle, the sun, and an electric iron which is switched on. What is temperature? It is a measure of how hot or cold an object is. We can know how hot or cold an object is by measuring its temperature. We use a thermometer to measure temperature. The unit is degrees Celsius. Touching with our hand is an inaccurate way of telling the temperature of an object. Example, when we visit another country for holiday, there is a need to find out its temperature so that we will know what type of clothes to bring. If it is a cold country, we need thick wool clothes to keep us warm. Looking at the amount of matter and heat. When an object is at a higher temperature, it has more heat. Compare 2 cups of water, one that is 80 degrees Celsius has more heat than the one that is 60 degrees Celsius. Equals if both objects are at the same temperature, then the object which has more mass will have more heat. Compare 2 cups of water with the same temperature, the cup with more amount of water will have more heat than the cup with less water. That's it for today. Do join us for a trial lesson if you think this video helps. Contact us here.